Hello guys, so I want to show you how to use Microsoft Cocreator. Microsoft Cocreator is a AI program embedded within the Microsoft Paint program. So all you have to do is you have to open up Microsoft Paint, and it's going to be located here on the far right side here, called with two stars, called Co-Creator. You click on Co-Creator. Co-Creator is going to pop up a kind of menu here on the right side of the screen in Paint, and it's going to ask you whether you want to join the waitlist. So once you join the waitlist, you're going to have 50 boosts to use the Microsoft Co-Creator feature in Microsoft Paint. So the co-creator is very similar to the Bing image creator, but to me, it seems to be more powerful, and there's a lot less errors. Because when I use Bing image creator, oftentimes human faces will be deformed. Generally speaking, image creator does a great job at creating human beings when you're close to them, but when you're further back, the AI seems to be more sloppy and less efficient and accurate at depicting the human face. So this is great because, to be honest with you, like I couldn't even tell, this image, like literally looks like a photograph of a Roman soldier. So in Co-Creator, you have essentially, it's very similar to Midjourney. It's very similar to DAL 3. It's all, I think it's called DALI 3. That's what it's called. Um, and essentially, they all have these prompts. And these prompts allow you to create any art that you want to create. What is interesting about this is that there are 8 styles here, or 9, depending on whether you count no selection as a style. But you have 8 styles you can choose from. Generally speaking, I would recommend doing no selection if you want to get something like this, because oftentimes if you do photorealistic, it's going to do a painting rather than a photograph. So yeah, this is an excellent tool. I think that the Co-Creator is an excellent feature. I think Microsoft is definitely taking the lead in the AI wars with Google. It's things like this that are going to give them a huge advantage over Google, because Google's Bard is only really available within the Google ecosystem. But Google doesn't have an operating system. It doesn't have native apps to that operating system. With Co-Creator, Microsoft is embedding its AI software all over the operating system, which gives it a huge advantage over Google. So in my opinion, the Co-Creator is an excellent feature, and I think more people should go and check it out, in my opinion. So thank you for watching this video, and please remember to subscribe to learn more about how AI is affecting the humanity during the fourth industrial revolution.